Our soft washing process utilizes a gentle application of biodegradable detergents that lift dirt and algae from your home without the use of harsh pressure. That means that our cleaning won't damage your home's exterior. Our cleaning solutions gently clean off the algae and restore the beauty of the surfaces, like fencing, sidewalks, driveways, and pool decks. Our RV or camper soft washing methods gently and safely clean the outside of your RV or camper. Contact us today for all your exterior washing needs.